Yo, what's up guys, HexxInkworks here, and today I have a Graffiti shipment unboxing video for you that I originally ordered in May from Graffiti. Similar to the previous order, I'm continuing to experiment with different paint brands and prices to see what I get for my money. And this order is generally a mishmash of different paint for different reasons, such as just wanting to try brands out, just out of curiosity from what I've seen online, taking the opportunity since they are on sale, and finally just because they're cheap. Also as well, with all these different styles of cans, I can use these for my stash cans. So once I've got the box open, the first can I pull out is a can of Cobra in black, followed by a 150ml can of Montana black, then a can of Flame Orange which is in black, and then a can of Iron Lac Basic in black, which you've seen in the previous unboxing. Once I've moved all this packaging, it reveals a bag full of mixed stuff which contains stuff I've bought along with freebies, which I'll come back to. And in my never-ending quest to find a cheap Montana ultra wide alternative, I got some of these big Cobra cans, because I feel that these won't be as expensive as Montana, but won't be as cheaply produced as other brands, and the opacity will be quite a bit better. To accompany the partial freebies in the bag, Graffiti has also gave me a Montana Black colour chart with ordering their 150ml can, a bunch of their stickers, as well as a free magazine. Now move on to the first 6-pack out of 3. So the first can I pull out is a magenta-like tone called Frat, which I've got 2 cans of. The second can being a really pale blue called Frostbite, which I've also got 2 cans of. And this weird green colour called Kosciuszko. And then another one of their basics blacks. With this box being done, I'll then move on to the second one. And this contains 4 cans of basic white and then 2 cans of basic black. Now moving on to the last box, and this is full of Iron Lac Basic cans as well. The first one being this pale green called Chiller, followed by this sky blue called Breeze, then this super nice purple called Grape, then this weird red orange called Riot, with second to last this tone being similar to Chiller but it's called Envy, and finally this nice blue called Realm. Now coming back to the bag of partial free stuff. It mainly consists of replacement grog nibs because I have so many that are just completely broken. The nibs range from 5, 10, 20 and 25. Along with the MTN bracelet and lanyard, Iron Lac lanyard and Graffiti's own lanyard, as well as an arrangement of free caps as well as a cap adapter that I bought. And finally, their stickers, a free marker and a free magazine. So yeah, that's this paint order finished, guys. Like I said, I ordered the Cobra to see what they're like for ultra wides, but to be honest, I've been generally interested in using them anyway. Graffiti had a sale on the latest Iron Lac cans, being of their lac line. This was only on certain colours though, and at the time each can was £2.75. So I thought I'd cop some, considering their basics line is quite decent. I thought that I'd get the colours I'd like in this line, and then with the rest of the paint get some colours that are completely different. The flame orange was just to try it really as well, while the small Montana can was really just for a stash can. And then I just got the Iron Lac basic just because I've used it before. It's high pressure, decent and cheap. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. This has been HexxInkworks with the Graffiti paint shipment unboxing. Peace out.